We really had to pick our riskiest assumptions.
Mm-hmm.
And we knew, look, if small business owners won't pay for the service, we don't have a business here. Okay, they're going to pay. Awesome. And by the way, those checks weren't cashed until we were able to deliver on the product. Right. But it's a great way to, prove out that first assumption.
Yeah.
Second, it was said, okay, once we have these businesses, on board with us, we don't have a product if the data doesn't go anywhere. So, we got the interest from the publishers, but if the publishers really to sign on, they had to see that we had a valuable data asset. Yeah. And that comes back to the third thing of being able to collect this data in a cheap way. So if any one of those three things were to fall down,
it wouldn't matter how good your technology is because it's not valuable enough, right?
Correct. It wouldn't matter how good our publisher network is because customers weren't paying for it. It wouldn't matter how many customers we had if we didn't have a publisher network. So we had to prove each of those things. We did it very sequentially. And it was at that point that we made the investment to build a more robust suite of APIs. Mm-hmm. We built marshaling mechanisms that allowed us to marshal data from one environment to another that could handle a load of millions of API calls a night. Mm-hmm. As these publishers were updating their menus in real time. We built JavaScript widgets so that a publisher could integrate our data, either our photos or our menu data with 3 lines of code if they chose to do so. At that point we were off to the